While the mosquito population in Alaska is dwindling with lower temperatures, these buzzing critters can still be found for time being in the lower 48. The mosquitoes in these areas also carry some diseases which have made headlines in recent weeks. College students and seasonal residents might need to be aware of the dangers and rate of infection of these diseases as they head south. Reporter Adrian Peterson has more in this week's Health Report.
Eastern equine encephalitis and West Nile virus. Both mosquito-borne illnesses have popped up in national news outlets as medical experts warn of increased mosquito seasons and potentially growing rates of infection. Eastern equine encephalitis, commonly called encephalitis or EEE, has already seen one case in Massachusetts. It's also the first case of EEE that the small state has seen since 2020. This virus is rare but very serious according to the CDC. Nearly 1/3 of patients who develop severe symptoms die from the infection. Those that survive often face ongoing neurological issues as well. Symptoms include but are not limited to fever, headache, vomiting, diarrhea, and seizures. So far this year, EEE has primarily been reported in the New England area as well as New Jersey and Wisconsin. For those that are traveling to those states, the only way to prevent infection is by avoiding mosquito bites. There is no vaccine or treatment that targets the virus. So far, there have been 6 cases this year. There have been 377 cases of West Nile virus, however. This disease is the most prevalent mosquito-borne illness in the country. So far in 2024, most of the cases have been in California, Texas, Nebraska, and Mississippi. But most states have seen at least one case. While less serious, there is no vaccine or treatment for West Nile virus either. About 1 in 5 people who get the virus are symptomatic, and 1 in 150 will develop a serious and sometimes fatal illness. Symptoms of West Nile virus include fever, headache, rash, vomiting, and diarrhea. This is Adrian Peterson reporting for News Center Fairbanks.
The Health Report is brought to you by Elevate Wellness Center.